Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download profile banner designs in Adobe Express for LinkedIn step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Express website. Log into your Adobe account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type LinkedIn profile banner into the search bar and press enter. Browse through the available templates designed specifically for LinkedIn banners. Select a template that suits your style and needs by clicking on it. The template will open in the Adobe Express editor. Customize the template by clicking on any text or image to edit it. You can change the font, color, and size of the text in the Properties panel. To upload your own images, click on the Photos tab in the left-hand menu. Select Upload Photo and choose an image from your device. Drag and drop the uploaded image onto your banner as desired. Adjust the image position and size to fit well within the design. Once you are satisfied with the design, look for the Download button in the upper right corner. Click on the Download button to open the Download Options menu. Select the file format you prefer, such as PNG or JPEG. Ensure you have the correct dimensions for a LinkedIn profile banner, which is 1584 by 396 pixels. Click on the Download option to save the banner to your device. Navigate to the location on your device where the banner was downloaded. Open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. Click on the pencil icon in the section that displays your current profile banner. Select Change Photo and then choose Upload Photo. Locate the banner file you downloaded and select it. Adjust the positioning if necessary and click Apply. Your new profile banner is now set, enhancing your LinkedIn presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.